Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the CMF by Nothing Phone 2 Pro. Okay, so let's begin. Basically the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So we need to open up our settings. In here, scroll down into the bottom until we find the system. And in here we have option to backup. Now, under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged in on our device. And below we have the free space, as you can see. Free storage space. And also remember that you need to be logged in into the same Google account if you want to restore it in the future. I mean on another device, or for example when you reset your phone and you want to restore it. So please don't forget this mail, this account and password to it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup. Make sure also that backup by Google One is enabled right in here. When it comes to the backup details, things that will be backed are apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings and the Google account data. And now, all we need to do is to simply tap on this blue button, backup now. Okay, now the process has started. And under the backup, you can see that this thin bar appeared and is starting to fulfill. When it comes to the opposite edge, it will mean that the backup is finished. Also, on the bottom of the screen, we will see information that the backup is made. So now let's simply wait until it's finished. Alright, now on the bottom we can see that our data has been backupped. Okay, and that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.